How your company has grown in the last few years?
Yeah, our company has grown very consistently. Even if you, for example, if you see the entire growth for last so many years, from day one, we have been growing uh, gradually, slowly. Formerly, it was known as Colsite Machine Fabric Limited, which was a private limited company. But in 1980, 86, we converted into a public limited company because we had made a joint collaboration with a German company known as Battenfield Extrusion Technique GmbH, and from them we got the technology to manufacture machines for PVC pipes. And so our coming back to your questions, what is so if you see even the figures from 1984 or 1985 onwards, this company has consistently grown in sales, grown in profitability, and has always given dividend. There was not a single year where we have missed paying dividend, and our policy of paying dividend has been quite, I would say, quite good, quite reasonable from the point of view of shareholders.
What are your priorities now?
Our priorities are well defined, that we want to be we want to continue our leadership. We want to remain number one in the manufacture of plastic extrusion machinery. We have a very large share of in domestic market, as well as more than 45-48% of our revenues last year have come from exports. We are exporting to more than 52 countries by now, and we are well established. So we would like to continue this, and this is possible only when you come out with lot of innovations, you remain in touch with the latest developments, and you incorporate them in your machines. The idea is to pass on this benefit to our customers, so they go for either replacement or for expansion.
What steps you have taken to improve the top line?
Yeah, last year if you see, there has been a very good significant growth, significant increase in our top line. The usual things are that we like to, of course, apart from economies of scale, number one is that we like to keep on doing our in-house R&D in order to not only reduce the cost but bring better features even at a lesser price.